Hi friends, it's Jennifer Woolsey, Avon Makeup Beauty Boss, and we are going to do a quick makeup tutorial because I get to go to the post office. Are you ready for it? The post office. So we're on day like 43 of isolation, so I'm finding joy wherever I can. So we're going to spread some joy today using our VDL Lumilayer Primer. Just going to add some glow to our skin. It's also going to prime it so that the makeup is ready to attach and be laid down. What do you think? You can already see that extra glow, right? So I've already gone in and, of course, done my morning skincare regimen. You guys know I'm a firm believer in my belief, and I'm using my Green Goddess facial oil to help cut down on redness. Of course, putting that SPF 50 in there because I'm going outside. I feel like a kid. It's crazy. Okay, we're going to use our Cashmere Complexion today in the shade Cannoli. And I'm going to mix in, I'm getting a little bit of sun because we've been spending a little bit more time outside. So I'm going to mix in just a tad bit of the custard. I'm going to have to go in and redo my color matching and get the shade that I'm needing. So until I get it, I'm just going to mix those two together. And you know what they say, it's like the mechanic always has his wife always has the worst mechanicking. Apparently the makeup lady doesn't match her color right, but I can do everybody else's, so. Okay, so we're just patting that in, getting a little bit of color on the face and giving it that smooth appearance. The thing I'm loving about our Cashmere Complexion is that it is a 24-hour long wear. And it feels amazing on your face, and it has great coverage. It's full coverage, so everybody needs a little full coverage in their life because someday we're going to get out of the house and we're going to have places to go, and you're going to want full coverage, right? Maybe you just want to put makeup on because it brings you joy. So I want to chat with you guys today because I'm very excited. I'm launching a way to spread, we're going to call it the Spread the Joy campaign. How about that? So my husband's grandmother, who is my grandmother too, because we've been married for like 20 years. So, you know, at this point, she's my grandmother too. Anyway, she is in an assisted living facility here locally to us. And they've been on lockdown for a while. And we're so thankful for the amazing staff that is taking care of them and really just going above and beyond to provide amazing care for our residents. Cashmere Complexion and the concealer, I'm using shade Matcha. And so I want to do something to give back. So I am going to be doing these little $10 bundles that I'm going to deliver to the assisted living. I hope that we have enough that I can even do some for our local nursing home. I think there's like 60 staff and residents because I want to do it for the residents too. So that bundle is going to include a roll-on, a face mask, a mini hand cream because we're all washing our hands a ton, and a chapstick. I'm going to wrap it up for them with a thank you card for what they're doing for our residents, and maybe they can have a mask. I was thinking maybe they could have a masking party with the residents and they could do something fun. But it's $10. If you guys want to hop in with me, you can PayPal me or Venmo. I will put that information in the comments, or you can just private message me and I will send you the info. But I just think this is a great way to give back, right? And that's what we should be doing right now, is looking for ways to give back to our community and those that are serving. And so I thought it would be fun. So who wants to help me spread some joy? We're going to go in with Magic's Dust. This is our translucent loose powder, and it feels amazing on your skin. So I'm just tapping a little bit. Good morning, Michaela. How are you? I hope you're doing well and all healed up from your surgery. So, you know, I just was thinking the other day, and some of the other Avon representatives have found ways to do these things, and I thought, you know, what better way to make a difference in the world we are in today than to bring joy to someone who is serving our people that we love. And so, what do you think? Are you looking for ways to spread joy in your life? Maybe you've been sitting there thinking the same thing and you haven't found a way to maybe share joy. So this could be an option for you to hop in and join me on. Okay, I'm so excited about this product. This is a brand new product. It will be launching next campaign. It is called Tattoo Station. So it is a new brow liner, and it is honestly like a tattoo. My hair's like all funky. So let me show you. I'm going to put my mark here on my hand. You see it? We're going to let it dry just a second, and then I'm going to show you how it does not come off while we color in our brows. So we're just going to add some light strokes in those brows. There we go. Girls, I need an eyebrow wax. We're just going to call it like it is. We need an eyebrow wax. And we need our nails cut off. But you know what? We do what we can. So we're just going to spread joy. If that's all we got, we're going to do what we can do. So it goes on really super smoothly. I even feel like it kind of blends well with my brows. I went a little bit over on this one. So let me show you how we're going to fix that. I'm going to get a Q-tip. You can kind of see it the closer I get. And I'm just going to, while it's still not quite dry yet, just going to kind of pull that over. Do you color in your brows? Is that something that you guys do? Okay, so that is all done. Let's see. Does Avon carry clinical deodorant? No, I don't guess we do. I don't think so, Michaela. Okay, I'm going to show you. I'm rubbing. Nothing on my finger. Nothing on my, it's not coming off. It's the best. It's the best brow liner you've ever seen. It's so good. I'm in love with it. We're going to use our, let's go with Chocolate Sensation today on our eyeshadow quad. You know, this is my favorite, so it's well loved. This pod is almost gone. I got to order a new one. I'm going to use one and put it on the base of my eye. And then, I don't know where you would get clinical deodorant. Maybe you have to look online for that. That is something I haven't heard of. That is, interesting. Okay, number 2, we're going to have to use that to work, or we're going to use that to work our crease. Not have to, but we want to use that to work the crease. Is it a health condition, Michaela, that causes him to have to use a certain kind? I haven't heard of that. Very interesting. You know, our kids, they have all kinds of things causing us to have different kind of issues. Okay, so working that crease, got it. Now we're going to pick up 3 and blend it all together. Here we go. Yay! Okay, got those eyes done, ready to go for the day. We're going to use our liquid liner pencil on these eyes. Got a little bit off on that one. I don't know why I did the bottom first. Yay! Eyes are lined. Yes. Okay. Curling our lashes, and then we're going to add some Love mascara. course, you guys know it is my absolute favorite mascara. Okay. Love mascara. It's the best. It is absolutely the best. So here we go. I'm going to work those lashes. It really takes one coat. You can do two for some added texture if you want to, but the good thing is it really only takes one coat. That, I've been using my Unlimited Lash serum. I can see such a difference. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's amazing. So I'm not re-dipping. I'm just kind of working the mascara into my lashes. Let's do a second coat and see what kind of results we get. I got a little oopsie. Use my Q-tip, fix that right up. Let's do a second layer. Wow. I'm going to see if you can see a difference. Okay, this side has two, this side has one. Wow, that is crazy difference. Crazy, crazy difference. Okay, so we're going to do this other side. Hi guys, welcome for joining. So if you're just now hopping on, we were talking about ways to, good morning Amanda, ways to spread joy in this time that we are in, because you know, spreading joy makes you feel better. It makes the people that you're surrounded by feel better. So one of the things that we are going to be doing, and I'm asking my fans here on my page to help get behind and support, is we're going to do some care packages. My husband's grandmother is in an independent living facility here locally in my town. I'm going to use Earth and Rose blush. And so I want to make some care packages to donate for the staff that have really worked hard to keep them safe and healthy. And I hope we get enough that we can donate for the residents too. So that it's going to come with our mask. It's going to have a roll-on deodorant, a hand cream for all that dry skin, plus a chapstick. And it's going to be $10. So if you feel like you want to donate, I would so appreciate it. You can Venmo me, or you can PayPal the $10. You can do more than one, but I think it's a way to just support those that are taking care of us. No, let's use a different color. Let's use Devoted. We're going to do a little pop of pink today. I hope y'all are ready for this. Okay. If it's a little bit too bold for you, I have a trick. I'm in love with our Glimmer Kiss Gold. So you can use other colors to kind of simmer it down just a little bit. We're going to simmer her down just a little bit here. Yay, it's simmered. Okay, so anyway, if you want to get on board with our seniors and those that are taking care of them, I would so greatly appreciate it. I think that this is a time when we can just give back. Michaela, it is Jennifer Woolsey. My phone number is 940-531-1855, and that may work too for Venmo. So I appreciate your support. I'll put those thank you cards in there, and I'll make sure and let them know that this is from Jennifer's Jewels Avon community, that we're doing this together. I look forward to spreading the joy for you, and I'm probably take a picture and share it with you guys so that you can see how we do this. So I hope you have a fantastic day. Look for a way to spread joy, whether it be with your family, maybe it be calling a friend and checking on them, calling your grandmother, calling your mother. Find some way to spread joy today, because it's going to make you feel better, and it's definitely going to make them feel better. So I hope that these makeup tips brought you joy. Please share this video. Help us get the word out so that we can get as many care packages out as we can. Maybe we can do both independent living facilities and the nursing home here locally. So it'll be $10 donation plus a chapstick. and I'm going to deliver those in honor of our team, our fan base, and I'm so thankful for you guys. Thank you, Amanda. There's your screenshot. Have a good day. I love you guys. Bye.